Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 9 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Slow Down Saturday, so we are going to practice a more mindful, slower, peaceful, and relaxful practice today. So what you will need is yourself, your mat, and you can grab 2 blocks. And of course, if you don't have blocks, you can use 2 small block boxes, 2 thick hardcover books, or you can find a disinfectant white container and use that as your block. So grab those things and we will get started. So we're going to start seated, and you can ground your hips into the mat. I like to rock from side to side so that my hips are firmly planted into the mat. You can have your hands resting on your knees, and we'll start with our 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. And we're going to start with butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. So you can bring the bottoms of your feet together as you allow your knees to fall out to the sides. And as you do so, your feet will start to peel open like a book, and the sides of your feet will be touching. And if the knees aren't fully down to the mat, you can always take your blocks and place them underneath your knees. And that's just going to bring the earth up to you, the floor up to you. Your hands can rest on your ankles, or maybe you just want to rest them on your knees. And we're going to stay here for 3 full breaths. So sit tall in the spine, reaching up through the crown of the head. Let's inhale together. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Next, we're going to come into a little bit of a forward fold in our butterfly pose. So inhale as you reach the arms up. And exhale as you reach forward, so your chest may come down to your feet. Your head may come down towards your feet. Hands will be on the mat. And start to feel the stretch in the hips. We're going to stay here for 3 breaths. Let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then start to walk the hands back towards your body. And you can stay in your butterfly pose, and we will go into some neck rolls here. So start by bringing the head down, or the chin down towards your chest. Just stretching out the back of the neck here. And then roll over so that your left ear is by your left shoulder. Start to feel the stretch in the right side of the neck. And then we're rolling the head back as we look up towards the ceiling. Stretching the front of the neck. And then over to the right, feeling the stretch in the left side of the neck. And back forward. And let's do that again, going the opposite way. So this time, coming over to the right first. Making our way back, looking up at the ceiling, coming over to the left, and forward. And then sitting tall. And then we're just gonna come to a regular seated position, easy seated pose, Sukhasana. Let's inhale as we bring the arms out and up. And then we're gonna twist to the left. So your right hand comes to your left knee, left hand comes behind you, sit tall on your spine, and then twist over to your left, looking over that left shoulder. Inhale. And exhale. Take another deep breath. And then inhale as you bring the arms back up to center as you face forward. And then exhale, twisting to the right this time. So left hand comes to right knee, right arm comes behind you. Sit tall in the spine and then look over that right shoulder. Inhale here. And exhale. Take another full breath here. And then inhale as you bring the arms back up to center, facing forward. And exhale, arms down by your side. So we're going to move into a little bit of Firelog Pose. Some people like to call it double pigeon. So we are going to start with the right leg. So we're going to bring the right leg in front of us. So kind of having the knee at a 90-degree angle in front of us. Knee is coming straight out from the hip. And then you can flex that foot there. And then just like Firelogs, we're gonna stack that left foot or left leg right on top of that. So the left foot will come to the left knee. And then that left knee will be right on top of the right foot. So if you have a little bit of space or a bit of space between that left knee and right foot, you can always grab one of the blocks that you have handy and just place it underneath that, and that just brings your foot closer to, or your knee closer to your foot. It kind of fills that space in between. And then we're gonna sit tall. We're gonna bring our arms out to the side, and then you're gonna take your right hand, bring it towards or behind you, and then your left, and you can grab each forearm with the other hand. And this is just going to open the chest a little bit. You can lift the shoulders up and back and sit tall. And we're going to stay here for 5 breaths. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And as you keep breathing, just notice how the shoulders may start to relax. Continue to sit tall. You may have to lift a little bit every now and then. And take one more breath here. And exhale. Release the arms from behind you, release the block, and then you can release the legs. And we're gonna move to the other side. So this time, that left leg is gonna come in front of you, and you're gonna have that left knee at a 90-degree angle. So knee comes out from the hip, and then flexing the foot in front of you. And we're gonna do the same thing here, stacking that right foot on top of the left knee. And then the right knee is on top of the left foot. So again, if you have space between the right knee and the left foot, you can always bring a block there just to fill that space. and bring the ground closer to the knee. Still gonna feel the same stretch either way. And then bringing the arms out to the side, and this time bringing that left hand behind first and then the right. And grabbing the forearms or the elbows, whichever works for you. Sitting tall in the spine, and we're gonna stay here for 5 breaths as well. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last one, sit tall, inhale. And exhale. And then release the arms, release the block, and release the legs. And so we'll just come back to a seated position here, coming back to our twist. So let's inhale, reaching the arms up, twisting to your left, right hand to left knee, looking over that left shoulder, excuse me. Deep breath in and out. Inhale, arms come up to center, facing forward. Exhale, twisting to your right, looking over that right shoulder. Deep breath in and out. Arms come up, inhale. Exhale down. Let's go back to our neck rolls. So letting the head fall forward. We're starting off to the right. Coming back as we look up. Over to the left. And forward. And then going to the other side. Going over to the left. Coming back. Over to the right. And forward. And then coming up. And we're coming back to our butterfly pose or Baddha Konasana. Bringing the feet together as the knees fall to the sides. Again, if you want to bring blocks underneath the knees, you can. We'll inhale, reaching the arms up. And exhale as we fold forward. Over our legs. Stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Start to walk the hands back into our regular butterfly pose. Hands can rest at the ankles or the knees, whichever feels comfortable for you. Taking 3 breaths here in this posture. And then slowly coming back to our seated position. You can put your blocks off to the side. Sit tall in the spine, reaching through the crown of the head. And we're going to end this practice with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. And exhale. Inhale. and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. Thank you for joining me for our Slow Down Saturday practice. I hope to see you tomorrow for day 10 of our 30 Days of Yoga series.